Okay, this is question 19 on the higher calculator paper. Let's read the question. We've been given a formula. P squared is equal to x minus y. P squared is equal to x minus y all over x squared. And we have been told that x is equal to 8.5 times 10 to the 9. Y is equal to 4 times 10 to the 8. Find the value of P. Give your answer in standard form. Correct to two significant figures. Correct to two significant figures. Okay, so what I need to do is do a substitution for x and y into here, work out the value of P, right, by working out x take away y divided by x times y. Now these numbers are in standard form, and I could use my calculator to do the calculation, and I need to remember to give my answer to two significant figures, correct to two significant figures. So I'm going to write it out in full first. I'm going to do the substitution. P squared is equal to x, which is 8.5 times 10 to the 9. Take away y, which is 4 times 10 to the 8. And then all of that divided by those two times together. 8.5 times 10 to the 9 times 4 times 10 to the 8. Okay, so using the calculator to show this, you need to use the times 10 to the power of button at the bottom here. If I can just get this all up. Yep, this button here is what you need, times 10 to the power of x. So, clear the screen. 8.5 times 10 to the power of 9. That, take away 4 times 10 to the power of 8 equals, and I've got a massive number there, 81, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 zeros. Clear screen. Now I'm going to work out the other one. 8.5 times 10 to the 9. That multiplied by 4 times I'm going to delete that times. I should have pressed that. 4 times 10 to the 8 equals. That is 3.4 times 10 to the 18. Okay, I'm going to work out this last bit. So 8, 1 with 8 zeros after it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that divided by 3.4 times 10 to the 18 equals, and here is my answer, 2.38235 times 10 to the minus 9. Okay. Now, we need to remember that this is P squared. Now I still need to do one more thing to this. I need to square root this number. So if I press square root and answer, that's the last thing that came up on my calculator, press equals, and I've got P is equal to 4.8809 times 10 to the power of minus 5. Okay, so I'm almost at my answer now. The question says, give your answer in standard form. Now this is in standard form. There's a number that's between 1 and 10, times 10 to the power of a whole number. However, they've said correct to two significant figures. So what they want me to do is to have P and write this number to two significant figures. Two significant figures, count from the front, 1, 2, and chop it off there. If you look at the next number after my line, the number after my line is an 8, so that means I'm going to round this to 4.9, and it's going to be 4.9 times 10 to the power of minus 5. So that's my value of P, 4.9 times 10 to the power of minus 5. Okay, this is a pretty complex question. You need to be familiar with significant figures and numbers in standard form, as well as using a calculator to work out numbers in standard form. Right? Make sure you could do it, revise it, try it yourself, and make sure you try it on a calculator, one of the school calculators, so you know how to use the buttons.